The idea behind the festival is that we've commissioned 5 brand new plays written specifically for Llandovery and for non-theatrical venues in Llandovery. And the narratives themselves are issues that affect the people of the area.
I mean, we've got the best up-and-coming and seasoned actors, we've got the best up-and-coming and seasoned writers, and we've got the best up-and-coming and seasoned directors here to show their brilliance and Welsh brilliance. And that's it's amazing, it's incredible. And I think people will see, I think people will be surprised. And people might be like, oh, well, it's, you know, is it really going to be that good? They're coming to Llandovery. Would people that are that great really come to Llandovery? Yes, they would. And they have.
One of the main things that's really special about it is that it is site-specific. So the plays were written specifically for the venues that they're in. And they're not theatre spaces. We've got one in a chip shop, one on a minibus, one's in cafes. So it means, or the audience member, that you are immersed in this sort of reality.
I think I want everyone to have a wonderful day, and that's it. And I think if people enjoy themselves, then I think all of those other things will hit home. If they can go to these places and they can come out going, I really enjoyed that, then everything else will sort of fall into place afterwards. So yeah, I just hope that people have fun, and I think all of the sort of work that's gone in will be worth it.